Freelancing today is one of the biggest platforms for earning online, and so many people during the lockdown period shifted to earning through freelancing by offering their skills to get some extra income while offices and businesses were shut down. If you are a beginner, then freelancing websites are an easier way to earn money online. These platforms are very easy to browse and find jobs that match your skills. So in today's video I will show you how to become a freelancer for beginners. But before that, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. So let's dive into the video. Number 10. Know what you want to offer. You can do many things to work as a freelancer. Become a graphic designer, app developer, videographer, or a content writer. Anything you're good at or are wishing to become good at will work. Once you know the skill you're going to work in, you'll simply have to test it out a couple times to make sure it's actually something you can do for hours to earn a couple dollars. Number 9. Build your portfolio and your resume. Every client that's looking to hire a freelancer needs something to put their faith into. If you've chosen to become a graphic designer, you need to have some of your work compiled in a document or put it up on Medium or a website that would work as your portfolio. This way the clients will easily be able to check your style and personal aesthetic, and if they find you fit for the job, they'll hire you. For your resume, you need to put down your skills and highlight your specialty. If you're good with logo design, then highlight it and show some of your achievements or link down your portfolio in your resume. You need to put down everything that a buyer would need to put their faith in you. Number 8. Build your profiles on online marketplaces. Now, once you know what you'll offer and once you have your resume and portfolio ready, you will need to put your profiles on marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork. You need to be specific with your details while setting up the profiles. In Fiverr, you will have to create gigs for your service and you'll price them accordingly. Since the competition on such platforms is pretty high, it is important that you keep your rates low as a beginner and offer something that would attract the buyer. You can increase your rates later after you have had a level up or after you think you've had enough good reviews. On platforms like Upwork, you will have to bid on gigs that the buyers post. Here you need to have good skills at writing cover letters because it gets a little hard for newbies to stand out among the professional bidders. Number 7. Work with independent clients. While waiting for an order on these platforms, you can also find clients on Facebook and Instagram. If you wish to broaden your reach, you can create a profile on Instagram and showcase your work and samples to attract buyers there. You can also join Facebook groups where buyers actively post gigs and jobs. If you win them over, you might be able to find a long-term client for continuous work, which is always a great way to establish a work relationship. Number 6. Don't say you know everything. Many newbies make a mistake of claiming that they are available for any sort of job in their work. For example, a new writer might tell you that they can write in any niche on any topic, and that is actually a very unprofessional approach at winning a client. You need to see what you're good at because everything has a different style and a different pattern. SEO articles differ from YouTube scripts and so on. So if anything, you should build your gigs in a very specific niche to earn good and high-paying clients. Number 5. Offer gig extras for free as a beginner. As a beginner in the market, it might take you some time to get a firm position with a number of reviews. A good way to earn buyers is by offering them discounts or giving them some gig extras. If someone is looking for articles in the health niche, you can tell them that you'll do the topic and keyword research for free and they might get convinced at hiring you. Or you can tell them that you'll offer them a discount if they order in bulk, which is again a great way of earning buyers because buying in bulk can be pretty expensive at times. This might also help you earn long-term and repeat clients, and it won't hurt your budget a lot to offer the same client a discount every time they order, since at least they're bringing you some work. Number 4. Deliver quality work. Freelancing on professional platforms requires effort and time. You have to adhere to deadlines and maintain a routine of completing the given tasks in time unless there's an emergency and you discuss it with the buyer and they understand that something came up for you. But as a beginner, it is important that you get good reviews by good work and quality service. Once you get a level or two up with a good rating, work will flow in and you'll have a secure monthly earning. If you think you have too many orders and too many buyers, you can simply put a limit to your gig, or you can tell new buyers to give you some more time. Usually when you have good ratings, buyers don't mind waiting for a few extra days to get quality work. Number 3. Never plagiarize your work. A good writer would never copy-paste the work from the web or from a fellow writer. Yeah, it's true that 95% of the time you would have no idea about the sort of work that you'll have to do or the topic that you'll have to work with, but that's okay. You can always research and figure that out, but copy-pasting is not an answer. Some buyers actually check through plagiarism softwares and websites, and if they find out about your cheating, they can leave a bad review which might ruin your reputation. So avoid plagiarism at all costs. You can simply say no to work that you don't understand or find hard to do. Plagiarism is a very common mistake among the newbies, and buyers really feel like they can't trust freelancers, and that just bad names everyone. Number 2. Keep it simple. Don't overdo things to impress your buyers. Many writers write too complex, but that's not what the buyer is looking for. Not everyone holds a PhD, and usually people are looking for entertaining and simple things that are understandable. If your work is too complicated, then it's only going to put the buyer off and you might not earn them. With whatever field you chose to work in, just keep things simple and make sure your message is conveyed. Don't be too confident with your skills, because that won't earn you anything. Number 1. Be consistent and patient. If you really want to build a clientele in the freelancing business, then you need to be patient. Your buyers will request revisions, and you might have to them in the middle of the night or during a holiday. Since most clients on these platforms are international ones, it gets quite exhausting trying to manage the time zones, but if you really want to become a successful freelancer, then you'll have to make sure you go that extra mile to cover it up. There might be rough days with no orders and clients, and that's alright. Remember, you started freelancing as a side job and that you need a secure platform for your earnings. So wait for new buyers when you don't have any orders. That's all for today's video. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.